Hello and welcome to this short tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can zoom on the Mini 4 Pro. Now I'm going to start this off first by saying that any zooming on the Mini 4 Pro is actually digital zooming. There's no optical zoom here on the Mini 4 Pro, so all you're basically doing is just zooming in digitally on that full size image. So if you're using sort of a more advanced video editor, something like Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, Final Cut, something like that, then I actually recommend you do all of your zooming in post-production and you just record your footage in its maximum sort of one-time zoom on the Mini 4 Pro. But if you're using a more simple video editor, or you know you're going to want to zoom into that footage anyway and you want to cut out an extra step in your editing process, then you can actually do that into your raw video file on the Mini 4 Pro. And there are actually two ways that you can do that, so let me show you how you can do it. So the first way is by using the control wheel that's on our right finger. We have two control wheels on the DJI RC2 controller. On the RC-N2, we only have one, so you have to use the step I'm going to show you in just a second. But on the RC2, we have these two, and the one on our right finger actually controls the zoom. So if we pull it to the right, we're going to zoom in, and if we push it to the left, we're going to zoom out. And the other way that we can zoom on the Mini 4 Pro is by dragging and pinching on the screen. So first off, let me show you the scroll wheel. So I'm now looking at this tower here on the Mini 4 Pro, and if I want to zoom in, like I said, I'm just going to pull right on that scroll wheel and it's going to zoom all the way in to 3x zoom. Now we can see there it's zoomed all the way in, and to bring it back out, we just push it to the left and it's going to zoom all the way back out. Now this is going to capture it in our raw footage, so if we zoomed all the way in and we've captured the footage, we can't then zoom back out again in post-production. That is how it's captured. Now, the other way is, like I said, by pinching on the screen. So to zoom in, it's like how you would do it on your phone if you're looking at a picture. To zoom in, you just pinch and drag open. To zoom in and to zoom out, you just pinch and drag out. It's dead easy, really intuitive, and that's the way you're going to have to use if you're using the RC-N2 controller. Just drag and pinch on your phone screen and you can zoom in and out. So yeah, zooming on the Mini 4 Pro is really easy and really simple. Like I said before, if you're actually using a more advanced editor, I don't recommend you zoom in the raw footage, but if not and you want to save some steps in editing, then go ahead, you now know how to do it. If you've gained value from this video, consider becoming a member on Patreon, as it's one of the best ways to support the work that I'm doing here. Now I actually also have a complete drone videography course which will take you from where you are now all the way to an advanced drone pilot and a cinematic genius. Now it's literally already transforming people's flying and footage, and it will do exactly the same for you. Now I've actually also started a weekly newsletter giving you the latest drone news, hot tips and discounts, and you can find all of this linked in the video description down below. And whilst you're down there, make sure to tap the subscribe button for more videos like this. You should go and check out this video next. Thank you so much for watching, have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.